Team Healthy, let us make some Parfait that has amazing benefits that you cannot even imagine. We are going to be using some strawberries first, and we have to slice them up, of course, after washing them and soaking them and taking all that dirt out of the strawberries. Strawberries I am using in this recipe because strawberries are good for a healthy heart. They help the heart muscles and they help to regulate blood pressure. Strawberries are good for a healthy and glowing skin because they contain antioxidants that help to smoothen all those wrinkles in our face and help to calm down the effect of the UV rays that hit our skin on a daily basis. Strawberries are also great for weight loss because they contain fiber that helps us to keep us full. So when you eat strawberries, it keeps you full for longer, therefore reducing the tendency that you might want to eat again. Strawberries are in season this period. I highly recommend that you consume them when they are still fresh. Of course, you can buy them fresh and frozen and also use them for recipes. The next thing is banana, and most people already know that bananas are high in potassium. Potassium, which is great for the heart. It helps the heart to contract and relax and just be compliant to enable it conduct its daily function. And also potassium, bananas are high in manganese. Manganese are great anti-inflammatory source and have antioxidant effects. These also help to slow the aging effects and just tosses off all the free radicals in our bodies. Amazing benefits that you're about to put in a cup of Parfait. Next is the Greek yogurt that I use. I like to use non-fat because this is for weight loss, remember, and it's low calorie as well. And I like to use plain because the plain yogurt has no colors, artificial colors added in it, and also it is a great source of prebiotics which are great for gut, intestinal health, and also vaginal health. The key to making the most beautiful Parfait is putting your ingredients in layers. So you can see that I started with some bananas, and then the next layer is some Greek yogurt, and I'm going to use fruits again and then granola. So do that in layers to give you a really beautiful cup of Parfait. This is good because this cup right here has high fiber and the natural sweetness comes from the banana. I will not be using any other extra or added sugars in this recipe. Next, I'm going to be adding my homemade granola. Most of you already know that I have a couple of granola recipes, which I will leave a link below in the comment section. These are high and have a high and good amount of natural fats in the nuts and seeds. These have almonds, cashews, pistachios, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, a whole lot of healthy nuts that help for healthy brain cells and also healthy functioning of your other systems such as your heart, and also help to regulate blood sugar level. Of course, I also added some old-fashioned oats in my granola. Like I said, make sure you click the link below and watch how to make your granola at home, because I tell you, I have tried buying granola in the grocery store before and they were high in sugars, preservatives, thickness, and other ingredients that I really don't need, and plus they're harmful to my body and my metabolism. So I always encourage that if there's anything at all you can make at home, it's always better that you make it at home, because it always tends to be healthier and you know exactly what you're using, and chances are that you really won't add any preservatives or any funny ingredients that you cannot even pronounce. Okay, So we're going to be adding our strawberries now and just using this beautiful pattern around the cup, and then we top that again with some yogurt and then granola and then some bananas. So in this parfait recipe, I use just 2 fruits, bananas and strawberries, because this is a simple parfait recipe. I have another parfait recipe where I use a whole lot of fruits for those who like something that has more fruits and different flavor just bursting in your mouth. I will also leave the link below down for you to watch in the comment section, guys. If this video blessed you in any way, please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe. God bless you guys so much. Please continue to be intentional about your health and well-being. Continue to put things that are healing and helpful to your bodies and restorative to your bodies and your cells. I'm here to give my 2 cents every now and then, but you have to make that decision really. And thank you so much, guys, for watching. God bless you and bye-bye.